Hey guys, today we're going to fix something very unusual. So I have this water cooling system. Generally, this is something we do not repair, we replace it straight away. But this particular brand is really, really expensive. And what we're going to do is open it up and see if we can repair this particular pump.
Now let's get down to the business and open this thing up. To get inside the liquid cooling system, first we need to remove these 8 screws. Once they're all out, we can lift off this copper plate. Next we need to remove the screws from the back. This is where we're going to find the logic board that controls the cooling system. Okay, now it's time to completely drain the liquid so we can see what actually going on inside. And I have to say, this liquid smells absolutely bad. And this small component here is the thermal sensor. It detects the temperature of the system. But then we have found the actual problem. You can see these two connections points here. Both of them are completely broken. So now we're going to resolder both points and see if that brings the pump back to the life. Okay, the soldering is done. Now it's time for the first test. We're going to connect the liquid cooling system to our power supply and then use a tweezer to trigger the power on signal. And there we go, the power supply is on, and yes, we can definitely hear the pump spinning. This is very good news. Thankfully, all this work wasn't for nothing, and looks like we may have actually fixed it. Now it's time to put everything back together and refill the cooling system. We're also using heat gun to warm up the thermal sensor as the sensor detects more heat. The system increased the pump speed, which helps us move the liquid and push the trapped air through. The pump is running, the liquid circulating, and everything seems to be working properly. We have now reinstalled the copper plate and the system is showing a temperature of around 36 degrees. When we check the radiator with the thermal camera, we're also getting roughly around 36 degrees. Now we're going to heat the copper plate with the heat gun. You can see the temperatures start to rise and now close to 49. And yes, the radiator's temperature has now climbed to around 42 degrees.
So just like that, we have finally fixed this liquid cooling system. And I must say it was really interesting and fun to fix it. Look at that. It's showing 29 degrees right now, all working normally, and we're going to put back in the gaming PC again.